Hi, my name is Paulasoto Roballo. Hi, Sophia. How are you? No, very well, Hannah. And you? What happened to you? I can't help you in something I feel good. Even to us also a little tried. Tell me what happened to you. My brother, he's playing lately with his video games. The noise is the roomless my sleep. My parents are not at home, so had take the opportunity to play late. And what happened to you? Yesterday, my cell phone fell silent at broke. I have to wait for them to play me. To buy another, I feel myself is obsolete. But tell me, have you take to him to solve this problem? Try to take to him, but since he is asleep too late. When her return from work, he is asleep. I had a plan. I will invite them to eat and you will talk to him. Today come tell to him and he will have to sleep you to work while good attitude. This is wonderful. Tomorrow I don't have to work. So I will for you at 6 p.m. Then after 6 p.m. Hannah have prepared an special meat. Sophia nodded off the door and sat next to Camilo and Hannah and he told Camilo, "Hello Camilo, we're eating tea treat together because Hannah has to tell you something important." Camilo, we have now have the opportunity to special Camilo. I would like to tell you that I work very hard and get up early, and you have not let my sleep. With your electronic games at football and science, our parents left. This has caused my not to do well at work. War, sister, I did think in the bother you and it did realize that was affected you so much. And very, very so much. I want to tell you, but we never have an opportunity. Thanks for understanding. Well, everything is a bed. I want to tell you that I was fine today and bought a new phone. Thank you. Now I will chat about this new electronic element, air fryer. How is the oil fryer used? I fry or I fry cook food by circulate hot air around the food. This system gradually and minute of time and homemade, which help to food reading its months and succulent charity. You can prepare it whatever you want. How is the only fry used? Its principle of operation is similar to an overcooking through rapid hot air circulations. An only fry consists on An olive fry consists on the consistence on the constraining which is the what determination the capacity and where you must evaluate what volume you need and time and temperature control. How long does how long does I take to fry an olive fried? B1 day 10 and 15 minutes, and generally coinciding with the times indication of the event for preparation in the oven, with the advertent that it is not necessary to wait for it to heat up and that, as we won't see. Thank you.